Good morning. How to say adios to your bank. Loans and guarantees. How many times have you been told that you're lucky to be in business, whether it's small or medium-sized business? If the person making that comment only knew, they would know it's a different story. Most small businesses and medium-sized businesses have to open facilities with their banks, whether it's loans or bank overdrafts. And these all require guarantors. Now, in some instances, you yourself might be the guarantor, but in others, you may have secured the guarantor off your favourite aunt or one of your parents. And unfortunately, at some time in the future, maybe 5 or 6 years' time, that guarantor might like the opportunity of getting their guarantee back. And that can prove difficult with banks, getting them to agree to release a guarantor. In many instances, they might be looking for an additional guarantor, not releasing one. There are other challenges in running businesses. You may have a very good business and you might like to expand its operations or buy another business. Another very common issue is that business people have treated their business as being their superannuation fund. All spare money has been ploughed back into the business. So now when you get to this time of 2018-19 and decide you'd like to be able to sell your business, it's very difficult. So perhaps you have to look at some effective succession planning. Up until very recently, this was a very difficult proposition to undertake in Australia, this releasing guarantees, finding capital to expand business, looking at succession planning built around retirement. But at long last, small and medium-sized enterprises with turnovers up to $25 million are now able to raise capital direct from the public. Yes, small proprietary companies can now raise capital direct from the public. This has been the law since the 19th of October this year. This enables you to raise capital, issue ordinary shares. Sure, those investors will have a percentage ownership of your company, but you can offer to buy their shares back from them in the future, or your family can if you've actually retired from the business. Many small and medium enterprise operators have fought very diligently for the last 6 or 7 years, when the other major Western economies have had the opportunity to utilise something similar to crowdsourced funding for their small and medium enterprises, to bring this opportunity to Australian businesses. I think it's a good idea for you to talk to your accountant about how you might go about this process. If you want to know more details though, you can go to our website, ESMEs030, and then click on to crowdsource funding. And you will be able to view some free articles and other articles that will cost you a subscription to give you an all-round knowledge on all aspects of this tremendous opportunity to help small and medium-sized businesses level the playing field a bit, to make life in business a little bit less challenging. If you have any further questions, please send me an email, peter@ESMEs030.com.au, because I am keen to help the Australian small and medium-sized business community to really take advantage of this new law in Australia to help businesses grow and prosper. Have a great day. Goodbye.